Hello everybody, I have one box of Upper Deck 2009 Artifacts, 7 packs, and you get one jersey card per box. Let's crack it open. Alright, first pack. It's a good looking card. I'm not expecting too much out of this box, but it's pretty cheap. Focus. What is that? Pluto recategory. Alright. Ramirez. Chardon Politics. Supreme Court Justice. Insert. Debut New York Times, Historical Moments. Oh, we got we'll save that one to the end. We got a Timeless Moments, Randy Johnson, numbered to 999. That's pretty neat. And then I got a Reds rookie, Ramon Ramirez. That's that. Elevator Invented. Ian Kinsler, John Papelbon, Torrey Hunter. Empire State Building built. 2 more packs. Jose Reyes, Markakis, let's see, City of Boston founded. And NATO organized. Alright, last pack. Oh, cool. Derek Jeter. I don't know if that's blue or aqua, but numbered to 150. It's a pretty nice hit. Dexter Fowler rookie. And Email Invented. Alright, let's take a look at the jersey card. Jeremy Hermeta of the Marlins. It's numbered to 180 also. So I got 3 serial numbered cards out of the box. That's not too bad. Thanks for watching.